How to turn on profile views history on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, go to the inbox option that is located down below and click on that. As you click on the inbox option, then there will be a menu coming in front of you. From the menu, you will see there will be an option of profile views. Then click on profile views. From here, click on the setting option, setting wheel that is up above in the corner. As you click on that, now there will be an option of profile view history. Now you can allow someone or allow yourself to view your profile view history, or you can close that from here. This is how you can turn on profile view history on TikTok. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Thank you.